Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix your login error in the Klarna app. So if you're trying to log into your Klarna account but have been facing some login error and are wanting to fix all of these, I'm going to show you a few methods by means of which you can fix these errors. So the first way to go about this can be to check your internet connectivity. Sometimes when your internet connectivity is extremely slow, you're likely to face all of these errors. So make sure that you contact the internet service provider and ask the person to solve this issue for you. You can also try turning off your Wi-Fi for a certain while and then turning it back again. Or you can also try switching off your router for a certain while and then turning it back again. Similarly, what you can also do is for the app that is already downloaded on your mobile device, you can long press the app and then tap on the cross button. This will automatically lead you and ask you if you'd like to delete the app. So tap on the delete button in order to delete the app, and then you can anytime go back to the app store and start reinstalling the app on your device. Or what you can do is go to the app store and then on the search bar type in Klarna. As you type in Klarna, you'll be able to see an interface like this. So tap on the app, and currently I can see the open button, but if my app is not updated, I'm more likely to see the update button. So sometimes when your app is not updated and is not running up to date in the present version, it might lead towards the login error. So if you want to fix this, you can also try updating the app. So these are some of the methods by means of which your login error can be fixed. If any of these methods work out for you, do let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get reminded each time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.